Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off developer options. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go down, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are the list of developer options. From this list let me select one option. I am going to enable this USB debugging mode. Select it, set OK. See, this way we can enable USB debugging. If you want to disable, you can disable here. Go to top, we can also disable developer options. I recommend to disable developer options after the use because of security issues. So we can disable here. Let me turn off developer options. Done. Then go back. See, now under system it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. So this way we can turn on or off developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.